Today we are going to unbox this iGarden pool cleaner. The brand sent me to make a video for you guys. So this is K Series K Pro. This provides 15 hours of cleaning. That is the claim. So we are going to open and see what we have in the package, and we are also going to test it, but that's gonna be in a different video. So first look, we have this quick start. It tells you exactly what to do and how to power on, and also you have some other informations, and you have another user manual, user guide, and over here we have a hook. This can attach to universal poles, so that should fit on your existing pole. So over here I see a package, so let's take this out. This looks like the adapter for the charger. You can see there is nothing else on the top. So over here let's check. Yes, this is the charger for the unit. Let's open and see. It looks like you can mount this on a wall or wherever you might be charging. You can see it has these things here, so that this allows you to just secure it and charge it. You see it has this kind of extension that goes inside. We are gonna check and take a look. And over here we have the main unit, so let's go ahead and pull it out. It looks like they wrapped it really nicely, and this is how it looks on the bottom. So as you can see, it is wrapped in really nice packing materials. Over here you can just cut this out and release the machine. So over here, let's cut the top. And you can see we have the main unit. Looks absolutely stunning, really nice, very beautiful red color, just like this. You can see it looks like a race car. Actually, you can see this is how it looks. It looks like these are uh, the headlights. Looks really cool. So over here, once you pull this out, you can see this is the filter basket. It comes out, and this is how you open. You can easily empty it out just like this, and this can be also replaced in case you damage something, happened to it, it's ripped. You can purchase this separately and replace it. You see it has these screws over here. It allows you to just take this out and get a new one. Over here you can see it has this nice large area for the filter basket to sit, so very easy. All you have to do is just push it back and it just closes really nicely. And the way you power this unit, you see this button over here. Once you turn this, you will hear the beep sound, and you can see it just turns on, and you have access to the operation menu right here. Once you press the button here, this is like a timer. You can set as schedule. You can just select different options. You can see once you press through this, it also shows you the indication of the battery level. You have this cycle. This is like turbo mode. Once you press this, it activates 200 more suction power. That is really insane amount of suction power. You can see it has two brush on the front. This allowed it to like rotate and brush, especially the water lines. This keeps the water line really nice and clean. And on the bottom section you can see it has these rubber pieces. It captures the pieces, whatever it collects, it just kind of traps, and right over here it will just pick up everything, while this kind of traps on the bottom section and it will just sucks in everything. And over here we have this nice large truck. This also allow it to stick on the wall without any issues. It can transition from floor to wall without any trouble, and it has sensors all around, and overall looks really nice. I absolutely love the way this looks. You can see kind of race car uh, feeling. It just has really cool looking device. So I'm so excited the brand sent it to me to make a video. I'm gonna go ahead and test this inside the pool and show you guys how it performs, but that's gonna be in another video. For now, thank you for watching.